Hi, today we're going to learn how to make Alstroemeria, the Peruvian lily or the Inca lily. The material required are crepe paper, green, any floral color, brown colored sketch pen, green, yellow and reddish orange pencils, floral green tape, 6 pips, a thick wire and thin wire. Cut out stencils according to the measurements given. All the measurements are in centimeters. First is a slightly thin petal. Cut 3 stencils, 3 pieces of this. Another is a slightly bigger petal and you need to cut 3 pieces of this again. This is of a leaf. Cut as many leaves as you require per flower. First you take a pip and the red pencil and color the stem of the pip of the same color as the flower. Now if you have the same colored pips with the same colored thread, then it's okay. Otherwise, as I don't have it, so I'm coloring it with color orange. Now hold all the pips together, put them on top of the thick wire like this and tie it with a thin wire. Now take a bit of the floral tape, stretch it and apply glue on the base where we put the wire and wind the floral tape around this. Now take the smaller petal and with the yellow pencil color the center of the petal in a slightly heart shape. Till the bottom of the petal. Then with a brown sketch pen, draw lines on this in any way you want. First a couple of lines in the center and then on the side at an angle. Now flip the petal over and with a knife, with a scissors edge, score actually on the petal in a slightly curved line from the top also. So when you see the right side, you have grooves along the petal. Now just pull the top of the petal, the point, make it sharper and crimp a little, just a couple crimps on the sides of the petal like this, and this is the center petal. I did the same thing for another 2 petals. This one has a little less yellow and less number of lines. Now take the bigger petal, the heart-shaped petal, and with a green pencil color the center a bit and draw 3 lines like this to show the veins in the petal. Then give a little crimp right in the center where the heart point is, so that it curves outwards like this, and then a little more, few crimps along the edges, not too many, just a few. Then holding the petal in the center on top of your finger like this, push it outwards like this from both sides, so that the center portion lifts up a bit. Then flip the petal over and again with a pair of scissors just score in the center, just like we did for the other petal. So these lines show through on the other side as veins, like this. Now take the two petals, the one which have more of yellow color, apply glue on the base on the right side and stick this on the pips, base of the pips. Hold it till it sticks, and similarly stick the other petal also. It should look something like rabbits here. This should be slightly at an angle to the first one, but overlapping. Now take the third petal, apply glue again, and this should be directly opposite to the other two petals, so it will come here. Again stick it on the base. After the petals are stuck, tie the base with thin wire. Now take the bigger petal, apply glue on the base and stick this, the first one, right behind the rabbit ears, the first two petals. It should totally be behind this. Now apply glue on the second petal and stick this between the gap between the petals. So it will come on the side like this. And now stick the third petal again between the gap. Now tie the base with the wire. Apply glue on the base and stick the green floral tape on it. Now open out the flower, pull the single petal outwards and the other two side big petals outwards again, like this. Fold them out, and the one at the back fold it just a bit, and this is what your Alstroemeria looks like. Now we're going to put the leaf. Now take the cutout of the leaf, and on this also we score lines with a pair of scissors to show veins. Make about 2 or 3 of these scores on the leaf. Now tie the leaf to the stem of the flower with a thread and then cover it with green floral tape. This is how it will look. Now I have made 2 more flowers, so we are just going to put them together like this. Put them at one point, which makes a kind of a internode for the flower. I have made 3. You can make up to 7 flowers on one single stem, and you tie the base with a thin wire. Now apply glue at this joint and stick about 3-4 leaves on it. So just stick the leaf on it. After I have stuck the leaves, I have tied wire around it and then put floral tape on it. And this is how your Alstroemeria will look like.